This Mitchell Realty property video is presented by Emmy Mitchell. Welcome home. This city view beauty is located on a large corner lot and is sure to please. It has an open floor plan, isolated master suite, master bath with both soaker tub and shower, updated carpet and so much more. You'll love hanging out and relaxing on both the oversized front porch and covered back patio. Make your appointment today, this one won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Emmy Mitchell at 806-576-4005.